If you're seeing this annoying Gmail storage full or Google storage 99% used, I'm going to show you the simple fix right now to solve this permanently and recover a lot of your storage. First, open the Google app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture at the top right, and then click on Manage your Google account. On the Google account screen, scroll down a bit and click on Data and Privacy. Now, scroll further down until you find the section Data from apps and services you use. Click on Content saved from Google Services to open the Google dashboard. Scroll down the dashboard to find the Photos section. You can see how many photos are taking up space. Click on that option. This will open Google Photos in a browser window. Once it loads, tap the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. Scroll down in that menu and select Desktop Site or Desktop Version to change the view. Now, zoom in a little and click the three lines, the hamburger menu, in the top left corner. Then, click on the storage option, which looks like a cloud. Scroll down to the Recover Storage section. You will see an option, Convert existing photos and videos to Storage Saver. Click on the Learn More button next to it. A Recover Storage pop-up will appear. This process will compress your photos and videos from original quality to Storage Saver quality to free up space. Check the box that says, I understand that compressing my existing photos and videos cannot be undone. Then, click the blue button, Compress existing photos and videos. You might see a small message pop up about only being able to recover storage once per day. But the process has now been initiated. After this conversion completes, a significant amount of your storage will be recovered, and that annoying storage full message will be gone. Thanks for watching. Follow for more useful tips like this.